Current online training. Enhancing business efficiency with Current. Enhancing business efficiency with Current, which is a platform by Xavient, revolves around optimizing digital transformation through various key areas. Automation of business processes. Current enables businesses to streamline and automate repetitive tasks, enhancing productivity. By utilizing workflows and intelligent automation, it helps in reducing manual intervention, error rates, and processing times. End-to-end integration. Current supports integration across various platforms, including legacy systems, cloud applications, and enterprise solutions. This ensures smooth data flow and operations, reducing silos and enabling seamless communication between departments. Advanced analytics and reporting. The platform offers robust analytics tools that enable businesses to gain insights into operations, customer behavior, and performance metrics. This empowers data-driven decision-making and helps in optimizing strategies for better business outcomes. Customer experience improvement. With capabilities in CRM, customer relationship management, and personalized services, Current can enhance customer interaction and satisfaction, leading to improved retention and loyalty. Scalability and flexibility. Current's flexible architecture supports scalability, making it easy for businesses to adapt as they grow, manage high volumes of transactions, and adjust to changing market demands. Cost reduction. By automating and optimizing processes, businesses can reduce operational costs. In addition, the platform can identify inefficiencies that can be corrected to further lower overheads. Collaboration and workflow enhancement. Current facilitates better collaboration between teams through integrated communication tools, document sharing, and centralized information access, improving workflow and decision-making. Real-time data analytics and insights with Current. Current, a product developed by Xavient, is designed to provide real-time data analytics and insights to organizations across industries. It leverages advanced data processing technologies to deliver actionable intelligence instantly, ensuring that businesses can make decisions based on up-to-the-minute information. Here's an expanded look at real-time data analytics and insights with Current. 1. Real-time data processing. Streamlining data flow. Current processes data in real time from various sources such as IoT devices, sensors, applications, and social media feeds. This enables businesses to track performance metrics, consumer behavior, market trends, or system health as they unfold. Low latency. By minimizing the latency in data processing, Current ensures that the insights derived from the data are available almost instantly, helping businesses act on emerging opportunities or risks without delay. 2. Advanced analytics. Predictive analytics. Current applies machine learning algorithms to historical and real-time data, allowing businesses to forecast trends, detect anomalies, and predict future outcomes with high accuracy. For instance, in financial services, it can predict market movements. In manufacturing, it can predict equipment failures. Real-time dashboards and visualizations. Current offers intuitive dashboards and interactive visualizations that display real-time analytics, such as KPIs, performance indicators, or traffic metrics. These can be customized to meet the unique needs of different users, whether they are business leaders, data analysts, or operational teams. 3. Integration with external systems. Data aggregation. Current integrates seamlessly with external data sources and legacy systems, such as CRM tools, ERP systems, or third-party APIs. It aggregates data from disparate systems into a unified platform, providing a comprehensive view of operations in real time. API integrations. Current supports APIs, allowing it to pull data from external systems like cloud storage, financial platforms, and IoT sensors for advanced analytics. This integration enhances its versatility, enabling businesses to make holistic data-driven decisions. 4. Scalability. Big data handling. Current can process vast amounts of data at scale, making it suitable for large enterprises and high-volume environments. Whether the data comes from millions of IoT devices or from transactional systems, Current can handle the load efficiently and provide timely insights. Cloud native. Current's cloud architecture allows it to scale resources up or down based on demand. This flexibility is crucial for businesses that experience fluctuating data volumes, ensuring that analytics performance remains consistent. 5. Real-time alerts and notifications. Actionable alerts. Current enables businesses to set up real-time alerts based on predefined triggers. For example, in retail, if a particular product's stock reaches a threshold, the system can trigger an automatic alert to restock or offer promotions. Similarly, in manufacturing, it can notify operators if a machine shows signs of malfunction. Proactive decision-making. By receiving instant notifications on critical issues, teams can act quickly, improving decision-making and operational efficiency. This is particularly useful in industries where real-time intervention is key to preventing losses or capitalizing on opportunities. 6. Insights for business optimization. Customer insights. Current can track customer interactions, sentiment, and behavior in real time, providing businesses with immediate insights into customer preferences. This data can be used to adjust marketing campaigns, personalize offers, or optimize the customer experience. Operational insights. Real-time analytics help organizations monitor internal processes, identify bottlenecks, and optimize workflows. In manufacturing, for example, it can monitor production lines, allowing managers to optimize efficiency or detect faults before they affect output. Integration of Current with third-party systems. Integrating Current, a financial services platform, with third-party systems involves connecting it to external applications, services, or databases to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and extend its capabilities. The integration can be achieved using various methods depending on the specific use cases, requirements, and third-party systems involved. Here's a detailed look at how Current can be integrated. 1. APIs and web services. RESTful APIs. Current can expose RESTful APIs to enable third-party systems to interact with it. These APIs provide endpoints for operations such as data exchange, transactions, or accessing specific features of Current. Third-party systems can send HTTP requests to these endpoints, and Current can return the necessary data or confirmation. SOAP Web Services. If the third-party system uses SOAP-based communication, Current can provide SOAP web services for data exchange. SOAP is often used in legacy systems or highly secure environments, and integration can involve XML messages. 2. Data integration tools. ETL, extract, transform, load, solutions, tools like Informatica, Talent, or Microsoft SIs can be used to integrate Current with other systems by extracting data from Current, transforming it into the required format, and loading it into third-party systems like CRMs, ERPs, or data lakes. Data sync. Current can be synchronized with third-party data sources using integration platforms like MuleSoft or Dell Boomi, ensuring that data remains consistent and up-to-date across systems. 3. Middleware platforms. Enterprise Service Bus, ESB, and ESB like MuleSoft or IBM Integration Bus can be used to facilitate the integration between current and third-party systems. These platforms allow data to flow seamlessly between applications, handling message transformation, routing, and protocol conversions. Integration platforms as a service. iPaaS platforms like Dell Boomi, WorkFusion, or Jitterbit provide cloud-based integration, offering pre-built connectors for various third-party systems. They can simplify the integration process, especially for cloud-based services. 4. Message queues and event streaming. Message queues, example RabbitMQ, Apache Kafka for real-time communication. Current can use message queues to publish events or data to third-party systems. For instance, whenever a new transaction is processed in Current, a message can be sent to an external CRM or financial system. Event-driven integration. Current can leverage event-driven architecture, EDA, to push updates to other systems. Event brokers, such as Kafka or AWS SNS, can listen for changes in Current and trigger processes in external applications in real time. 5. Single sign-on, SSO, and authentication. OAuth OpenID Connect. Current can integrate with third-party identity providers using OAuth or OpenID Connect enables single sign-on, SSO, functionality, ensuring a smooth user experience while maintaining security. SAML integration. If the third-party system uses SAML for identity management, Current can integrate using this protocol to enable federated authentication across systems. 6. Data exchange formats. JSON and XML. For data transfer, Current can exchange data in commonly accepted formats like JSON or XML. These formats are easy to parse and widely supported by third-party systems. Flat files. In some cases, integration might involve batch processing with flat files, CSV, TXT. Current can export data into these formats for integration with legacy systems or external tools that consume flat files. 7. Third-party system integrations. ERP systems, example SAP, Oracle. Current can be integrated with ERP systems to streamline financial operations, such as processing payments, reconciling accounts, or tracking transactions. Performance optimization strategies for Current. To optimize performance for Current, you should focus on a few key strategies to ensure scalability, speed, and responsiveness across your application. Here are some of the most effective methods based on general performance optimization principles. Caching. Implement caching mechanisms for frequently accessed data. This reduces the load on servers and speeds up response times for end users. Consider using CDNs for static assets to further enhance delivery speed. SANLA, asynchronous operations and parallel processing. Incorporating asynchronous programming or multithreading can significantly boost performance, particularly for I/O-bound or computationally heavy tasks. Breaking tasks into smaller units and leveraging parallel processing can help maximize throughput. Molested. Database optimization. Indexing your database tables and optimizing queries are essential for reducing the time it takes to retrieve data. Caching at the database level can also cut down on unnecessary network requests. SANLA. Molested. Code profiling and bottleneck identification. Using profiling tools to identify and eliminate performance bottlenecks is crucial. By streamlining inefficient code sections, you can significantly reduce resource consumption and speed up application performance. Molested. Load and stress testing. Perform regular load and stress tests to identify how your system performs under various user loads and to pinpoint areas that might require scaling or additional optimization. Molested. Leveraging Current for seamless workflow automation. Current, a modern workflow automation platform, enables businesses to automate processes efficiently, streamline operations, and enhance collaboration across teams. It helps by automating repetitive tasks, integrating disparate systems, and offering real-time analytics to optimize workflows. Here's how you can leverage Current for seamless workflow automation. 1. Process automation. Automate repetitive tasks. Automate manual, time-consuming tasks such as data entry, approvals, and notifications. Standardize workflows. Create predefined workflows with clear steps and dependencies to ensure consistency in task execution. 2. Cross-system integration. Connect with other tools. Current integrates with a wide range of third-party applications like CRM, ERP, and communication tools, example, Slack, Microsoft Teams. Data synchronization. Keep all systems up to date by syncing data across platforms, eliminating errors caused by manual data entry. 3. Customizable workflows. Tailor workflows. Design workflows specific to your business processes using Current's visual interface without needing coding skills. Dynamic decision-making. Use conditional logic to guide tasks based on predefined rules, enhancing automation flexibility. 4. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Track performance. Monitor workflow performance and identify bottlenecks through real-time reporting and analytics. Set up alerts. Get notified when issues arise or when a workflow requires attention, ensuring prompt resolution. 5. Collaboration and communication. Collaborate across teams. Automate task assignments and notifications to ensure smooth collaboration between departments. Seamless communication. Integrate with messaging and communication platforms to notify teams of task updates or approvals. 6. Data-driven insights. Analytics for optimization. Use the data gathered through automated workflows to generate insights on process efficiency and areas for improvement. Predictive automation. Analyze historical data to predict trends and adapt workflows to changing business needs. 7. Scalability and flexibility. Adapt to growth. Current scales as your business grows, allowing you to add more users, systems, and tasks without compromising performance. Cloud-based accessibility. Access workflows from anywhere, enhancing flexibility and remote work collaboration. Security and compliance features in Current. Current's security and compliance features are designed to enhance the visibility, control, and efficiency of IT operations, focusing on key aspects such as incident management, real-time monitoring, and integration with existing infrastructure. One of its key security elements is a centralized platform that allows seamless communication and collaboration across internal teams, vendors, and clients. This ensures that security-related information is communicated quickly and efficiently to all relevant stakeholders. The platform also offers customizable escalation workflows, allowing incidents to be routed to the appropriate individuals or teams, minimizing response times. For compliance and risk management, Current provides embedded alerting and incident tracking, which helps ensure high availability and minimize downtime, addressing both operational continuity and regulatory requirements. Additionally, the system tracks all post-incident actions, supporting a compliant and organized response to security events. Moreover, Current integrates IT Service Management (ITSM) and Enterprise Service Management (ESM) capabilities, offering full visibility into service costs and quality. This integration enables both internal departments and external managed service providers to collaborate effectively while maintaining compliance standards. Current's role in digital transformation. Current is a digital transformation platform that helps businesses navigate and implement changes by utilizing cutting-edge technology solutions. It plays a key role in the journey of digital transformation by offering a range of services and tools that enable organizations to evolve their operations, optimize workflows, and improve customer engagement. Here's an overview of how Current contributes to digital transformation. 1. Data integration and management. Current can help organizations unify data across various systems, making it easier to access, analyze, and derive insights from large datasets. This is a critical component of digital transformation, as data is central to informed decision-making. 2. Cloud and hybrid infrastructure. As companies migrate to cloud-based environments, Current provides scalable cloud infrastructure solutions that help organizations manage both on-premise and cloud-based operations seamlessly. This hybrid infrastructure plays a pivotal role in modernizing IT systems. 3. Automation and workflow optimization. With automation tools, Current assists in streamlining repetitive tasks and optimizing workflows. By reducing manual intervention and enhancing process efficiency, businesses can accelerate their operations and reduce costs. 4. AI and machine learning integration. Current leverages AI and machine learning to drive predictive analytics, personalized customer experiences, and smarter business decisions. These technologies are integral to digital transformation, offering organizations innovative ways to solve complex problems. 5. Customer experience enhancement. By implementing omni-channel customer engagement solutions, Current ensures that businesses can deliver consistent, personalized experiences across multiple touchpoints. This leads to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty, key outcomes of a successful digital transformation. 6. Security and compliance. Current provides robust security frameworks to protect digital assets, data, and infrastructure, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Security is a top priority during digital transformation as businesses transition to more connected, data-driven environments. 7. Collaboration and communication tools. Digital transformation is not only about technology but also about transforming organizational culture. Current facilitates better collaboration and communication within teams through integrated tools that enhance productivity and innovation. 8. Agility and innovation. Current enables businesses to be more agile by adopting flexible, scalable technologies that allow them to respond quickly to changing market demands. Innovation is fostered through the adoption of new technologies that continuously improve business processes and services. Why choose ProExcellency for current online training? Choosing ProExcellency for current online training offers several advantages that can enhance your learning experience and skills development. Expert trainers. ProExcellency employs industry professionals with vast experience in current and related technologies, ensuring you receive high-quality and up-to-date training. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers the latest concepts, tools, and best practices in current, designed to provide a strong foundation as well as advanced skills for practical application. Interactive learning. ProExcellency's online training is interactive, offering hands-on exercises, live demonstrations, and practical case studies, which help you understand real-world applications. Flexible learning options. You can learn at your own pace with self-paced learning modules or opt for live sessions, allowing you to fit the training around your schedule. Certifications. Completing the current training from ProExcellency often comes with certification, which can add value to your professional credentials and make you more competitive in the job market. Post-training support. ProExcellency offers post-training support, which is crucial for clearing doubts or solving any challenges you face while implementing your learning in real projects. Industry-relevant tools and techniques. The training ensures you are well-versed in using the tools, techniques, and methodologies that are in demand in today's job market, specifically for current-related roles. Personalized attention. With smaller class sizes and focused attention, you can expect individualized support to help you grasp the material effectively. Thank you.